tuchukue tu.
Prosecution, perhaps. Proceed.
Community with Kisii.
Yes.
Secondly, Your Honor, we have not conducted mental assessment.
These are the orders of the court. I have taken note of the application made by the prosecution, including those of the respondent. The court notes that even though Article 49(1)(h) of the Constitution provides for the grant of bail and bond, the same is not absolute, and this is such a scenario. To this end, and in the interest of the respondent, the court is inclined to grant the prosecution the days it requires to conduct its investigations. The order of detention will not in any way prejudice the respondent, who actually surrendered himself to the police. Therefore, the application dated 16th November 2023 is hereby allowed, and the respondent will be detained for 10 days at Rioma Police Station to allow further investigations.
Miscellaneous application number 305 of 2023, Lucas Omo Doyle.